Alright guys, I finally got my Elite Plus rechargeable UV lamp from Delta. It's been raining here a couple of days and a lot of garage work, and my old light that works off the car charger died. I think it's something to do with a cable. So it's been kind of difficult repairing it in the garage and then putting it out in a UV light during the day to cure it. So I finally got the light. Let's see what it comes. Looks like it comes with a nice car charger adapter, and it's very nice braided. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a braided cord, so the wire's probably not going to break as easy. What's this? Just a home charger adapter, an actual light. Let's see this. Oh, this is nice. Has 7 LEDs. Nice metal construction. 4 suction cups. Has a cooling fins, I guess. I don't know if it gets very hot. Wonder if it's charged. Let's fire it up. Oh, wow. Oh, that's awesome. Just look at that. That's going to cure it in no time. Alright, I'm excited to use it. Once I use it, I'll let you guys know what I think, how fast it cures things. But so far, just the design of it and the feel and the size is perfect. It's exactly what I was looking for. Look at that light. Awesome.